Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In case you don't know me, my name is Despina. I'm back with another video. So today I decided to decorate something I bought. It's a candle holder. It's very nice. As you can see, it's like a broken glass. But I don't like this. I don't like this handle. I decided to decorate it. I bought some stuff. I think it's gonna look good. So yeah, if you guys wanna join me, let's get going. So I was thinking of different ways I could decorate the candle holder. I was thinking about like a ribbon, maybe just wrap it around the metal part. But I don't know, I was like, I think it would be nice if I decorated some flowers, like fake flowers, just wrap it around. But unfortunately I couldn't find something around me. But what I did found, it's this. It's like, they're fake flowers, but they are attached to a ribbon, and I can wrap it around my the handle. And I also found some stickers. It's like 3D butterfly stickers. I think they will look very nice. And yeah, that's it. I didn't want to do too much on the candle holder because it's already like decorated with the design. So I just wanted to just make it look better with things I could do. But yeah, so I got myself some hot glue finally, and it will help me maybe stick the flowers in case they need more support. Or I mean, the butterflies, I don't think so, they're already stickers. But yeah, hopefully with future videos I can stick stuff with my glue gun. Okay, let's get started. I hope you guys find something you want to decorate as well and you follow along to this video. Okay, something I want to say, I won't be hanging my the holder somewhere, so there's nothing coming in contact with my candle. So if you are going to hang it somewhere, make sure there's nothing coming in contact with your candle, because that can be very dangerous. So I know I have like something like this hanging, but it's not going to be on top of the candle, if it makes sense. So make sure to be careful. But yeah, I was thinking like to wrap it around and stick this on the side, and hopefully it will look nice. I don't know. Okay, so I'm bringing you guys a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. I have my candle holder here. I have my flowers here. So there's 6 flowers on this ribbon, right? So I'll start by sticking one here, and then I will wrap it around. And then I will stick one here. So here, and then I will stick one here, and here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Let's get started. Okay, so I will add a bit of glue on the back of the flower. Be careful because it's very dangerous to use a hot glue. And then I'll stick you here. I don't know what is going on today, but there was no noise at all, and once I decided to film a video, like everyone is doing all sorts of noises, and I'm like, thank you very much. Okay, so one is done, one is decorated. Let's get going with the second one. I will wrap this around twice, and I will stick this one here. So let me do this. If you want, you can like stick that one like on the other side, and then you can stick the other flower on another side. Let me show you. So since this one is looking on the outside, this can look on the inside. And then rub it around 2 more times. So the next one will be here. So let me glue that one. I think it will look very nice with like different decorations, right? Like at how in the house, or if there's like an event. So this one will be here. Depends where you guys want it. Maybe I'll do it here. So I'll do this on the outside part. And then wrap it around 2 more times. Or 1, depending what you want to do. And we'll stick the other one here. And then wrap around the other one. And I will stick it here. Whoa, look at that. That looks nice. Yeah, if you wanna add more things to this, you can go ahead and do that. I just like it like this, simple and nice. And yeah, so now I'll go ahead and put the butterflies. So they had all sorts of colors. They had like blue ones, they had some colorful ones. I really like these gray ones. Ooh. This gray, like the some yellow ones. So I'll go ahead and unstick a butterfly and then stick it to my base, the holder, and then I'll just keep doing that. I'll decorate all the way around, and yeah, let's go. One butterfly is done. I'll put them like I'll spread them around so they're not very close to each other. Some of them will look one way, some other ones will look the other way. So yeah, let's keep going. It looks pretty good. Okay, I finished. Look at that. That's very pretty, right? But yeah, it was fast, creative, and many other things that I cannot describe. I think it was an easy way to decorate the candle holder. I don't think why not. It's gonna make my space look better. But yeah, now I'm gonna place my candle. This is the candle from a previous video. If you haven't watched it, make sure to check it out. I'll link it also below. But yeah, I'll place it inside and see how it goes. If you do not wish to decorate your candle holder with a candle, you can always just put some decorations inside. Let me show you what I mean. So I have these things right here. If you can see, it's like pearls. So you can always just add this inside as a decoration. Maybe you could add some plants inside. You can add some soil maybe, or rocks, and just add it inside and decorate it with plants or rocks. actually, wait. So I just remembered I have a bag full of rocks I gathered from the sea, from the beach, I mean. Yeah, I'm not weird, I swear. It's just, yeah, it's just that I just gathered some rocks, honestly. So let me show you. I have like different sorts of rock, different sorts of shells. Some more rocks. I think they will look very nice in here. Some more shells. Yeah, maybe I should show you in another video. Maybe I should show you my collection of rocks. So yeah, let me just try and see if that look nice. Maybe not the big ones though, but I just put them for now and see. Maybe this can be my rock holder instead of a candle holder. Have like tiny rocks, different colors and shapes. Ta-da! This is my rock holder. Yeah. It has all sorts of rocks and shells inside. So yeah, honestly, you guys can decorate it however you want. It doesn't matter. It could be flowers. You could add anything you want. It could be jewelry, keys, anything you want. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you did. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know if you did. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more videos like this, or customizing t-shirts, or even more. Like, let me know in the comments below if there's something specific you would like to see. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I'll make sure to put this on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out. I always add things on my Instagram, so if you want to follow me there, make sure to do so. Also, since I'm customizing t-shirts, I'll link my email below in case you would like to reach out to me. You can always do that in Instagram as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye bye.